Guys, welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Sylvia. So today we're going to be doing a wig tutorial. I made this wig yesterday actually, and guys, this wig is given, like it's given, and the fact that it's less than $10, it's crazy, because like I'm so proud of my work. It looks really good, and I mean, if I don't tell you, who's gonna know? Who's gonna know? They ain't gonna know. So yes, this wig is really nice. It is the Darling silky straight hair, and it comes with 3 bundles. This one is 20 inches, 20 inches bundle, and 18-inch, and it comes with this detangling spray. Because I stay close by to the local market, I got mine at a cheaper rate, so the price I got this is for 4,500. but for you guys who don't have access to the local market, you would get yours for like 5,500. Okay, so guys, this week we are going to be doing the full tutorial. I'm going to show you how I sewed this wig to get this. Oh god, it's giving me kinky. It's giving me a lot of things. Like I finished work for this week, guys. I finished work, and if you want to see now, see. So this hair is very problematic, Sha. If you're going out, don't forget your tail comb, because breeze will humble you. Make sure you always comb when you jump down from the bus. This is a very beautiful wig. I love it. So all you need to do, don't use shea butter, guys. All these shea butter loving ladies, spray a bit in your arm, and just, guys, see shine. Hey god, see here, less than $10. You can either pack it like so. Oh god, just leave it be. Oh my god, this hair is giving me so many shades of bougie. So I don't want to talk too much. Let's just get into the tutorial. Like as usual, if you have any question, definitely leave it in the comment section. I will answer you. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, because we're going to be making beauty videos. So if you know you like this wig, you want to do a straight wig, affordable, slay on a budget, you know, that kind of thing, this is definitely the tutorial to watch. So let's get started.
To start off with the wig making process, I'm going to be using a wig cap. As you can see, the mannequin head, forgive the lips, that's my baby sister's doing. I'm using this Darling hair in 18 and 20 inches. There are 3 bundles in there, and it comes with a closure as well. So that's what I'm going to be using. It also has a detangling spray that comes along with the pack. So the first thing you need to do is to pin down the closure midpoint of the wig cap. Once you pin them down and everything is secure, you start sewing. So the way I put the pin is from the beginning of the cap. So you start sewing from the first side, and as you can see, the needle, I'm putting it on the closure, like the where the hair stops. So you don't sew on the net, on the closure lace. You sew where the hair is. That way, when you cut out the band from the inside, it won't tear once you're combing your hair. So try and sew it on the hair, not on the lace. Okay, so I'm going to sew this round. So you just take your time and do this. Make sure that it's perfect, make sure that it's laying flat. Okay, so I'm just going to sew that, and once I'm done, we're going to start using the wig. So for the actual wig, I'm starting off with the 20 inches, which is there are 2 20 inches bundle and 1 18-inch. So I'm going to start off with the 20-inch bundle once we start sewing. So this is just me showing you how to get this. I'm done sewing the closure, but I had to bring it down so that I can check to make sure that it's sitting perfectly. Okay, so make sure everything is smooth and flat. So now I've packed it back up, and we're starting the sewing process. So I'm putting my needle from the beginning of the cap, okay, and from the beginning of the closure, not the net, not the lace, rather from where the hair starts on the lace. That's where you put your pin. And as you can see, the method I'm using is the U method of sewing. So what this means is that I'm going to be sewing this hair from end to the other. So I'm starting from where the lace stops and I'm sewing it to the other end of the lace, and that's how I'm going to keep taking the sewing all through till we get for this session. I just wanted to show you how to cross your hair, because I'm not cutting this wig. I'm just the weave on, sorry. I'm just taking it line as the line comes. So once you get to the end of the hair, you see the way I fold it up, but you want to make sure that you sew it to the end of the hair on the closure before you just take it up to the other end of the closure, like so, and voila. So that way you've turned it, but you don't have that bulge. Okay, so just sew to the end, then lift it up. Don't turn it, just take it up like you're still sewing in that same line, but you're going higher. Okay, and then you move. So as you can see, I've gotten to the center part. So from here on, I'm just making sure that everything is sitting properly. As you can see, the hair is well layered, and that's one of the reasons why I like the U method of sewing, because even if you raise the hair up, it's going to be hair you'll be seeing. So this is all I have left now, and I want to sew at the other end. So now we are going to be going in a straight line method. That way, we fill up the hair, because if we keep going in the U method, I already exhausted parts from the closure. So as you can see, I've been going in a U method. Now please, when you're making this wig, don't overlap hair on any other part of the hair, if you understand what I'm saying. Like, make sure it's sitting on its own. Don't sew it on another part you've already sewed. That way it doesn't have a bulge. Okay, so everything stays on the net, not over another hair you've sewn. So now I'm trying to create an illusion of a U part. That's the Kim K closure, because this closure that the darling comes with is very short. So I'm trying to make an illusion of a T closure, or a straight longer closure. That's what I'm trying to do. So as you can see, this is what it looks like. I'm almost done, but I still have to close that little part there. Okay guys, so just follow the method that I used and close it. I didn't show that video, I'm so sorry about that. So this is me wrapping the hair up after making it, and this is in the morning, taking it off because I left the head wrap on it overnight. So I didn't use any hot appliances on this hair. You can if you want to. So this is my closure. Look at the illusion that it gives at the back, that it's a Kim K closure. So that's how I styled this wig, guys, and I'm using the detangling spray to make this hair stay flat. You can get a wax stick as well if that's what works for you, but I'm using the spray on this hair, and this hair came out really beautiful. It's so, the quality of the hair, you can tell that it's not human hair, but it looks and feels like it's human hair. Okay, big up to darling. This hair was really cool, and I'm going to go over and cut out the cap from the under of the closure. So what you want to do is you want to leave about a 1/4 inch as you cut. So I'm cutting from the middle first. Make sure you don't cut too close to your sewing. Just cut from, give like a 1/4 inch or a 1/2 inch from where you sewed. Okay, so now this is the closure. I'm going to go and cut the net out later on. So this is how the hair looks. I hope you guys enjoyed this video.